Alright, I got my actuators back and installed. I am going to show you how they work. I'm pretty happy with them. I've got one on the way down. It's giving a slight stick. So I'm going to have to dig into that and figure out what's going on. It's very little, but going up is looking real good. It's up, down, just a smidgen on my timing. One more time. And there we have it. All we're waiting on now is some blades. We've got those moving, as you can see. But can't do anything as far as setup till I get those blades in. So back to the patience game. Thanks for watching.